Weep skeep weedly deep doop, Agent Cameron here with the cart narcs. That's not where the carts go.
Better hope you didn't scratch my paint.
Well, I didn't, because it's just a magnet, it's not a sticker.
I'm gonna arrest you because I'm a cop.
Now, sir,
better back up.
What are the charges?
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. If you're from Los Angeles or any of the following cities, you may be familiar with The Woody Show, a morning show that is syndicated across 30 markets, including iHeartRadio. The show's producer, Sebastian, otherwise known as Seabass, created a segment that is now an esteemed YouTube channel called Cart Narcs. Seabass patrols local grocery store parking lots to promote personal responsibility by shaming patrons that don't return their shopping carts to the cart corral.
Weep skeep weedly deep doop, Agent Cameron here with the cart narcs. That's not where the carts go.
Sometimes the encounters end peacefully, with people returning the carts. Other times, Seabass runs into some lazybones that refuse to live in an orderly society. Law enforcement officers pride themselves on championing law and order, but sometimes they forget the order part. While in Reno, Nevada, Seabass ran into an alleged officer who, after shopping at a local Walmart, left his cart in the parking space next to his.
Weep skeep Oh, the old cart centipede maneuver. Well, I already saw one there, so there's gotta be another one there. Just throw it up in there. Come on now, you know the carts go over there. Cart narcs, yeah, narc out people with big old lazy bones. Don't take. Well, yeah, that's not awesome, it's bad.
Have a great day.
All right, give me the cart bumper magnet. Oh, shillings. Oh, now it's all funny. All right, we'll try.
After confronting the scum of society, if they refuse to correct their inconsiderate behavior, Seabass leaves a magnet on their car that reads, "I don't return my shopping cart like a jerk." Often people drive away with it, but sometimes this is enough to coax them into doing what's right. Other times, they stop and confront Seabass.
Ah, got him, yes! Don't do it, well, I did it. All right. So did he finally get the point of being a good person and taking your cart back?
You better hope you didn't scratch my paint.
Well, I didn't, because it's just a magnet, it's not a sticker. Oh yeah. Now you can scratch paint, loose carts, right?
Don't put that on my car.
Well, I'll tell you what I won't if you take your cart back. How about that? Oh, that's littering. Well, thankfully I keep extras.
Put it on there, and I'm gonna arrest you because I'm a cop.
Now, sir,
better back up.
What are the charges?
Don't touch my.
Sir, you gotta have a.
Don't touch my property.
What's the reason to arrest me?
Don't touch my property.
You gotta have a charge, sir.
Put it on there. I swear. You're gonna have a problem.
What's the problem? My problem is the cart's being left out. Let's see if we'll fall for the fake out.
Really?
No, not really. It was a trick. It was a fake out. See, I'm pretty good at that, aren't I? Now, will you take your cart back, please?
No.
Why not? I've asked you nicely, though, and then you laughed in my face. But I was asking nicely first, and you laughed in my face.
You're an asshole.
I'm a nice guy, actually. I'm helping you out here. Let's see if he falls for the other fake out. Ah. Double fake out didn't work. Fool him once, shame on him. Fool him twice, didn't actually fool him that second time.
I've looked far and wide for the answer to your current question. Is it legal for Seabass to put a bumper magnet on a vehicle? Section 205.274 of the Nevada Revised Statutes covers injuring or tampering with vehicles and makes it possible to be cited for using the bumper magnets. Aside from that, there could also be a tort claim if the magnet damaged the paint, and it could be proven to be willful or malicious intent. Regardless, I think Seabass is doing tremendous work, not only exposing the scum of the earth, but also highlighting this officer's high and mighty arrogance and disregard for public cohesion. Below are links to The Woody Show and the Cart Narcs YouTube channel. Be sure to check them out and let them know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.